The learning bee tunes. Come and sing, come and learn, so fun for you. The learning bee tunes. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Farm Animal Friends. Farm Animal Friends. On the farm we sing and play with animal friends every day. Clap your hands and come along. Let's learn animals through this song.
On the farm we sing and play with animal friends every day. Clap your hands and come along. Let's learn animals through this song.
On the farm I see a cow.
She a cow.
She says moo. Can you try it now? Her big brown spots and tail so long. She walks around the farm so strong.
Oh, strong.
Little chicken, tiny feet, cluck, cluck, cluck.
So cute and sweet.
She lays eggs in her small nest.
She wakes up early, never rests.
Then there's Piggy in the mud, pink and chubby, full of love.
Oink, oink, oink.
He laughs all day, rolling in the mud to play.
On the farm we sing and play with animal friends every day. Clap your hands and come along. Let's learn animals through this song. I see a horse that loves to run.
Loves to run. Neigh, neigh, neigh.
Having fun. Her mane blows softly in the wind. The fastest farm friend I have seen.
Fluffy sheep with wool so white.
Soft and warm both day and night.
Ba ba ba, he sings with cheer, a friendly sound we love to hear.
Then the goat says meh meh meh.
Jumping high without regret.
He loves leaves and grass to eat.
Running on his little feet.
On the farm we sing and play with animal friends every day. Clap your hands and come along. Let's learn animals through this song.
Here's the duck with feathers bright.
Quack, quack, quack. From left to right, she swims around the little lake.
Wiggling tails with every shake.
The farm dog barks. Woof, woof. He guards the farm.
He's brave and tough.
He chases butterflies for fun.
And plays outside under the sun.
The orange cat says meow, 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 stretching gently on the ground. She loves to nap and purr all day, then joins the fun and runs away. On the farm we sing and play with animal friends every day.
Thank you, friends, for singing too.
Farm animals, we love you.
In the sea they swim so free. Healthy fish for you and me. Clap your hands and sing along. Let's learn fish through this fun song. Here's the milkfish, shiny bright, swimming gently day and night, with silver scales that glimmer so. A tasty dish we all know. Tilapia swims from side to side, happy in the waters wide. Crispy fried or cooked so neat. Tilapia's always fun to eat. Big blue tuna, strong and fast, swimming where the waves are vast. Full of flavor, firm and sweet. Tuna's yummy, what a treat. In the sea they swim so free. Healthy fish for you and me. Clap your hands and sing along. Let's learn fish through this fun song. Salmon leaps above the stream, shiny orange like a dream. Soft and tender, tasty bite, good for lunch and dinner time. Mackerel swims in groups so tight, silver body shining bright. Rich and oily, full of might, a healthy fish that feels just right. Sardines small but full of power, packed with strength in every hour. Perfect fish in every meal, tiny size with big appeal. Oh! In the sea they swim fish for you and me. Clap your hands and sing along. Let's learn fish through this fun song. On a little leafy bed, a tiny egg is gently spread. 3 to 7 days it stays, waiting through the sunny days. Then the egg begins to break. A caterpillar's awake, eating leaves the whole day long, growing up so big and strong. 10 to 14 days to grow, shedding skin as changes show. Egg to caterpillar, caterpillar to pupa, pupa to butterfly. Watch it flutter in the sky. Nature's magic every day, changing in a special way. Egg to butterfly. Now it finds a quiet place, hangs itself with gentle grace, makes a chrysalis so tight, changing hidden from our sight. 7 to 14 days inside, till it spreads its wings so wide. Then the shell begins to break, wings unfold and come awake. Soft at first they wait to dry, then they lift into the sky. 2 to 4 weeks flying free, coloring the world we see. Egg to caterpillar, caterpillar to pupa, pupa to butterfly. See it sparkle as it flies, short but full of joy and light, making flowers feel so bright. Nature's wonder in our sight. Nature's wonder in our sight. Thanks for watching today, kids. We learned and sang the fun way. This is the Learning Bee Tunes, hooray! Don't forget to like and subscribe, okay?